Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to show you how to install Oracle Database 19c on Windows. The first thing you need to do to open your browser and search for Oracle Database download, and most likely the result will be on the first line. Open this link and search for Oracle Database 19c for Windows. Be sure that it is 64 type and it is matched with your operating system. Then click on this link to start download. The website will ask you to provide the username and password, and if you don't have username and password, just click on create account and start to fill the registration form. After completing this form and register on the website of Oracle, just type your username and password on the website to start downloading. This download may take around 10 minutes based on your internet connection speed, and actually I'm speeding up this process while recording this video to save our time. This download will be on compressed file, so if you have a WinRAR application and WinRAR software to extract it, you can use it, or you can use the normal process of extracting which embedded on the Windows Microsoft. Just right click and click extract here, and the process will be completed within around 20 or 30 minutes. Click extract. And something important I need to mention here, that after extracting this file, please do not put it on your desktop or My Documents. The best place is to put it direct on the driver C or D. This is something very important to mention here. Just take this one and paste it on your desktop on C driver. After completing this process, just open the file and search for the setup installation file. Double click, and the Oracle installation wizard will be opened here to start the process. Just select the first option, create and configure database, and this one select the first one, desktop class, since you are not installing a server. The third step is to select the username. My recommendation is to use the virtual account to speed up the process. If it didn't work for any reason, just click create new account on this screen. Again you have to create a username, a password for your database, and set the location here by selecting the type and then the character set. The character set is very important if you are using some special character like Arabic and Chinese. Select the password. Like I said, it should be complex password, not a simple one, and click next. And actually after this step, the system will check for the prerequisitions like RAMs. You should have at least 2 GB RAMs and the free space of 12 GB. And on this step, if you need to change any of the parameters you have added on the previous steps, just click edit and change whatever you need. Click next, and the installation will be started, and it may take around 20 minutes, something like that. And also here I speed up the process to avoid to make this video as short as I can. After completing this step, we need a tool to connect to the database. So I'm going to show you how to install Oracle SQL Developer. But before that you have a tool after installing this database. Here we have been completed all the steps for installing our database, and it is completed successfully. And to be sure that everything is working properly, just click on the window button and search for SQLPLUS. This is the embedded one which is installed by Oracle, and you can just test the connection, and if we need to change our password, we can from this one. Type this as sysdba, and since you are logging from the machine itself, system will consider you as a database administrator. Change the password by type alter user sys identified by APC or whatever the password you need, and then press enter. Your password has been changed. Everything is working properly. Okay, now we need a tool to log into the database, so we are going to search on the internet for Oracle Sqldeveloper download. The same process. Select the first option and click Sqldeveloper download. For Windows 64-bit. Download, and this one is don't need a setup like the previous one. Just here type your username and password and download, and you can use it direct without installation process. I will show you now how we can do that and how we can register a new database connection. The same process. This is a compressed one, so we need to extract it. Just copy and paste on any place. This one you can put it on the desktop, no problem. And open the file, search for Sqldeveloper.exe. This one, open it, and after this opening, you press the green button. I will show you now to add new connection. This green one on the left side, new database connection. You have to click this one and create the database. Okay, now put the database name. You can put anything. Put the username, set it as sysdba, and type the password. Then TNS names, select TNS names and your database name, which is ORCL, and test it. It should be succeed. Then save to avoid repeat the process again when you log in the next time. Type your password, and now everything is working properly. You have connected to your database. All the database objects are here. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.